How to find Bitlocker recovery key. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can find your Bitlocker's recovery key. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to AH, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right in. So finding your Bitlocker's recovery key is really simple. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your web browser and head over to this website. Now this website, that is account.microsoft.com/devices/recovery key. Hit enter after you type that in. I'll be sure to add this on our description down below. So just open this up. And now you will need to log in into your Microsoft account. If you will be prompted to log in, just type in your account's email address, your password, and after you sign in, you'll be presented in this section right here. Now, since I don't have any Bitlocker recovery key myself, it's not presented right here, but for you, it will be presented right here in a tabular form where there will be a name, your recovery key, and other details. So you can simply copy the recovery key and use it where you want to use it. And yeah, it's that simple, and that's basically it for today's video as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.